Reading a Protobuf created with TF2 using TF1. I have a model stored as an HDF5 which I export to a Protobuf PB file using saved_model.save, like this. This works fine and the result is a saved_model.pb file which I can later view with other software with no issues. However, when I try to import this PB file using TensorFlow 1, my code fails. As PB is supposed to be a universal format, this confuses me. The code I use to read the PB file is this. This is the exception I get. Traceback, most recent call last, file read_pb.py, line 14, in graph_def.pass from string f.read, google.protobuf.message.decode error parsing message. I have a different model stored as a PB file on which the reading code works fine. What's going on? Edit 1. While using Andrea Angeli's code below, I've encountered the following error. Encountered error. No def mentions a exponential_average_factor not in op yt, batch_mean u, batch_variance u, reserve_space_1:u, reserve_space_2:u, reserve_space_3:u, at equals t type, allowed equals dt_half, dt_float 16, dt_float, at equals u type, allowed equals dt_float, at equals epsilon float, default equals 0.001, at equals data_format string, default equals nhwc, allowed equals nhwc, nchw, at equals is _training bool, default equals true node def. Node mobile net 2/bn_conv1/used batch norm 3. Check whether your graphdef interpreting binary is up to date with your graphdef generating binary. Is there a workaround for this?
You are trying to read the HDF5 file and not the Protobuf file you saved with tf.saved_model.save. Also beware, the TF2 exported Protobuf is not the same as TF1's frozen graph as it only contains the computation graph. Edit 1. If you want to export a TF1 styled frozen graph from a TF2 model, it can be done using the following code snippet. This will result in a Protobuf file, saved_model.pb, at the location you specify in path param. Your graph's input node will have the name input:0. This is achieved by the lambda, and the output node output, 0.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.